Precious family, welcome to Brasia Kitchen. I hope all is well. Yeah, today we're making tuna cake. So here are our ingredients: salt, pepper, bread, fresh bread, 3 slices. We have 1 tomatoes, sweet peppers, jalapeno, garlic, spring onion, spinach, and onions. And I have here my tuna and my eggs, and this bread is for the bread crumb. All the veggies are nicely chopped. The jalapeno pepper, I left the seeds in because I want it hot. Now we have our tuna here. I blended the bread. I didn't do nothing to that one. This is the one I toasted. And the eggs, we're going to use 3 for the fish, the tuna, and this one will be the coating. So now we're mixing everything together. Salt to taste, black pepper. Now spinach. Mix it. You add the eggs, mustard, just a little bit. Then your bread. Mix everything together. If you don't have the bread, you can use flour. And your breadcrumbs. Any shape you want it. You want it round, square, and the sizes to any size you want. Okay, so I have my pan here. Put in your oil. I'm using 2 fry pans. You flip it. Careful with your hands, don't bend your fingers. And I'm telling you, by this time you can imagine how the aroma is. We are done now, so beautiful. Oh, I remember the lady who taught me this was my client. That lady loved me so much. May her soul rest in peace all this year. Look at how beautiful it is. Nicely. You've watched me till this time and you haven't subscribed or thumbs up for your sister, please do so. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye. Let's look at it inside now. Okie dokie. Look. Beautiful. Look at it. Beautiful. And crunchy. Inside is juicy. Oh. Look at it. You can make your own dip and add it with it. That's good. Please try. Love it.